Hi everyone, welcome. My name is Thunder, one of the educators of HOC strategies. And today I'm just going to be talking about my read on Gbpjpy, one of my favorite pairs of late. And it's been on an impulse move, and there's a whole lot of people that capitalized on the move months ago. They are they're actually in such a bullish run, and they're having a lot of fun. So let's actually dive right in quickly. So this is Gbpjpy chart on the weekly, and on the weekly, I see that this is my last push to the upside on the weekly, and then if I scale into my daily time frame, I can see also that after we had this weekly push internally on the daily, we had an internal bearishness on the daily because we broke our last higher low that created a high on the daily. So internally on the weekly push, we had an internal bearishness on the daily. And after that, price trended a little bit to the downside and got to some sort of discount levels here. And then eventually we broke internal structure also to the upside. So now our internal bearishness has switched to bullish on our daily time frame. So now we have this point here that creates a new higher high, right? So this lower high, lower low structure. Now this lower low structure created what? A higher high. And this point right here, this new higher low right here is not a confirmed higher low because what we expect to see right now is a break of this structural point here, a break of this high. What I expect to see is this high gets taken. So this becomes a confirmed higher low for me because a higher low is not confirmed for me until a higher high is formed. But from all indications, from top-down analysis and from momentum and everything, I expect to see a break of structure to the upside. And mind you, this is not a signal of any sort, and this is not a financial advice. This is just my personal read on the market and what I expect to see going forward. So if I come down to my 4-hour time frame, I mean, this is the last uh, time frame I will be working on. I wouldn't be going in depth just so it doesn't get too complex. Okay, so on my 4-hour time frame, I can see that this move here is my daily push. So this was a lower high, a lower low on the daily. And then eventually we had a break of structure. So now this becomes a new higher high on the daily. And then we had internal structures. These are 4-hour structures, which again have started breaking structure again to the upside. So now my 4-hour daily, weekly have aligned. So so internally, my bearish pushes on this big impulse move on the weekly have switched to bullish. So all my time frames have aligned. What I expect to see is maybe price get to certain levels here, maybe retreat to certain levels here, or maybe come lower to a proper discount level, give a move eventually. Overall, I want to see this high here get taken. This last um higher high on the weekly. I want to see the weekly give us a new higher high. So that's exactly what I expect to see. And I mean, I wouldn't be taking my trades off this time frame. I'll be taking it off the smaller time frames and be playing the reaction. But overall, this is what I expect to see. So I mean, that's a good one. GBP, JPY. If it comes to certain levels here, I will still react. And I stay reactive in the market. I'll react to see what price does. Overall, I want to see this high get taken. So that's my read on GBP JPY. Until then, see ya.